So, you've decided to be white. Here's what you need to know. This man is your friend. Call him when you need help. He's here to protect you. This is your ideal partner. You will have 1.8 children together and live in the suburbs. In the event of a divorce, you'll find yourself helplessly attracted to Asian women. You will now be able to tolerate spicy food. This is a casting director for a TV commercial. He will never hire you. Just stick to your cushy corporate job. 40% of what you purchase will be from Amazon. Publicly, you must badmouth them and pretend not to like them. You will secretly own a lot of stock in this company. You may feel the urge to buy and talk about organic food. You will now exclusively shop at Trader Joe's. Have fun trying to park. When it comes to sports, we recommend staying away from basketball. Unless you've selected European white, then you'll be great for some unknown reason. Okay, you've learned everything you need to know. Now sit back, relax, crack open a light beer, and enjoy being white.